Hey friends, if you wish to format a FAT32 drive in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Though the newer version is the NTFS one, but still a few users want that. So if you have a drive here, especially a USB drive, then simply right click on it and then select show more options and then select format, and then you can check that the file system should be at FAT32. It is usually at NTFS, but you can keep it at FAT32, and then you can make sure that quick format is selected and then click on start, and then you'll get a warning here that formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click on OK. So click on OK and this will format the disk. It will need a few seconds and eventually you'll get this message, format complete. Click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.